Hey Ava, it's Miss Alice and I hope you're doing well. I want to go over a quick Schoology review with you one more time since you just got access to your Schoology page. If you are confused or would like to meet up, we can also do that, but I wanted to give you just a couple of pointers here as you're getting acquainted. So like we talked about yesterday, when you first log into Schoology, you will most likely see a home page like this. For my view, I only see English, but you will see your other classes as well. So math, advisory, and art should be on there. When you click on courses here, so this is just updates each teacher has made. When you click on courses, you can navigate to where you want to go. So we're going to look right here at English class. And yesterday, I know we talked about this some. Right here is where you'll find announcements or updates for the day. I like to do it every couple of days. If anything is new, I will make sure you guys are communicated here with that. So you can see today, I returned essays a couple days ago, so students have access to those. And then today, here is our schedule. So it's a Monday and a Wednesday, so red group and yellow group are meeting. If you are not in those, then you're working on your asynchronous work, and there's directions down here on how to get to those, okay? So just some simple updates. I have the reading groups here in case you need to know which group you're in. You are in red group, I believe. But those are just some basics, all right? Yesterday we talked about this. You can click here on Gradebook to see your progress and grade in the class. Now I will not be showing you mine because that will show you everybody's grade. But when you do start getting things entered into the gradebook, here's where you can go to check that, okay? Second really important tab is the materials tab. So if we take a look here, if we go down, you can see the quick navigation page will be here for you. And then this is everything that you need for our unit right now or as of right now. I will update this by every week. So you can see here is your text for night. Here's just a quick heads up on the story, our reading calendar, and then extensions. So this will give you due dates on what is due when. This is for if you are done early. So if you ever find yourself in English class time saying, hey, I'm done, I need something else to work on, there's some extensions here, all right? So those are general materials you'll need all the time. We also organize things by folders. So this is by week. You can see last week's work and then this week's work. When we click here, you'll be able to see the folder, and I can go ahead and make sure that today's is there for you. So when we see every day's folder, again, we break it up by 2 days since you guys are on a rotating schedule in my class. So if we click here for Wednesday and Thursday, you can see here is your Chapter 2 journal, okay? Now this is something that will give you a little bit more direction on, and you can work either with myself or Miss V, who is also someone that helps in our classroom. This is your assignment for today. You will only see one. You'll just see the Chapter 2 journal. So you will open it up. And when you click here, it'll give you the option to open it and work on it, just like on Google Classroom, all right? So I know that's a pretty quick overview of Schoology. A couple other things that we're gonna want to do together is set up your calendar. That's gonna be really helpful. We can spend some time doing that together in advisory today, but that's another tab that's gonna work. We will also set up your Google Drive app. I'm gonna send you a separate video on how to do that so you can access the work on Schoology, all right? Awesome, Ava. Well, I hope this is helpful. Like I said, we can definitely meet up again if we want to run through any of this together now that you have access. All right, thank you.